after studying the activity relationship affinity diagram, okay, which is about when you want to place department and services in a facility, you have to establish a good overall flow of material, flow of people. Material flow from receiving to stores to warehousing to shipping. Information flows between offices and the rest of the facility, and people move from one place to another. Each department, office and service facility must be placed properly in relationship to each other. The technique the technique we're gonna describe today establish the optimal placement of everything that needs space. Sometimes very little space is necessary. For example, the employee entrance location is important to the employee flow path, from the parking lot to the employee entrance to the time clock to the lockers and to the cafeteria. We're gonna in previous video we explained how to do the activity relationship diagram. I'm gonna show you how to do the worksheet, the dimensionless block diagram, the flow analysis. Okay, we have I need to remind you about let me zoom in this one a little bit, and this one as well. When you want to draw the activity relationship diagram, when you place a code A massive amount of material of people movement between two departments, E, and the code E is about less people are, it is for the same reason, but a certain amount of movement, which is especially important. The I is important and the O is ordinary important. When some level of importance is desired. However, the U code, they tell you there is no activity between them, and X is as important as A, but for the opposite reason. For example, if the paint department is located next to the welding, an explosion is possible, and etc. Therefore, they should be placed as far apart from each other. So if I look at the affinity diagram or activity relationship diagram, we could see A and welding are extremely important. They must be placed one next to the other, as well as the welding and paint for the same reason. However, fabrication and stores are extremely important. They must be placed next to each other. The number 1 here, which means fabrication, the number 2 here on the fabrication line, which means is an important relationship of code A, with welding, of code A with stores, of code I with 11, which is the tool room. It's a quick way to read the diagram. Okay, thank you.